Hello! Arthropods are a unique group of animals. Their species are known 10 times better than representatives of all other animals. Sizes range from microscopic to tens of centimeters. Arthropods inhabit various parts of the land, all types of water bodies, soil and organisms of other creatures. Arthropods are the only group of invertebrates whose representatives have acquired the ability to actively fly. Click on the animal to learn more. Common greenbottles are flies with a shiny metallic green or golden green abdomen. Their length varies from 6 to 10 millimeters. The antennae are covered with feathery bristle. They are common everywhere, including private houses and gardens. The most natural habitat for them is places where products are sold open, slaughterhouses, scrapyards, and cesspools. An important feature of common greenbottles is their ability to quickly respond to the appearance of dead bodies. Click Nocturnal species. Beetles hibernate in soil and litter. Mating and egg-laying is observed in spring and early summer. Larvae development lasts 2 to 3 months. Young beetles appear in August to September. They are found in broad-leaved and mixed forests, shrubs and parks, less often in windbreaks and gardens, both on the surface of the soil and in the crowns of trees. Butterflies appear at the end of June, fly until late autumn, then hibernate. They hibernate in basements and caves in the Imago Strait, so they can then be found in early spring, when they come out of hiding to lay eggs. The color of the eggs are light green. Caterpillars are black with small white spots. Pupae are grayish, green, or brown. The body of harvesters is divided into a cephalothorax and a segmented abdomen. They have 8 long legs that allow them to keep the body high above the surface when moving. The detached legs contract for some time, which resembles the movements of a scythe, hence the name. Harvesters should not be confused with spiders, from which they differ in the absence of spinnerets and the inability to produce webs. They also have a segmented abdomen, which is connected to the cephalothorax without a pedicel. Harvesters are also absolutely non-poisonous. Paper wasps are a group of subfamilies of the family Vespidae that use paper, which they make themselves by chewing and moistening wood fibers with sticky saliva to build their nests. Crab has a life of a loner, dwelling in the zone of high and low tides, hiding among stones. It emerges from its shelter at low tide, feeds on carrion and small animals. The ghost crab is incredibly agile, perhaps the fastest sprinter of all crabs. A ghost crab can run at a speed of up to 2 meters per second, which helps the animal hide from predators. A characteristic feature of arthropods, as well as the origin of their name, is the structure of their limbs. They consist of individual segments movably connected to each other by joints, forming a series of jointed levers capable of complex and precise movements. The body of arthropods has an external cover formed by a cuticle. The strength of the cuticle is provided by a special organic substance called chitin. The cuticle of arthropods is not extensible, so the growth of these animals is accompanied by periodic molting. Let's learn about the biological features of arthropods. Tap on the The nervous system of arthropods consists of supraesophageal ganglion, or brain, peripharyngeal connective tissue, and an abdominal nerve cord. The structure of the supraesophageal ganglion is very complex. It has 3 parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. The circulatory system of arthropods is open and partially reduced. Only the main vessels remain in it: dorsal, sometimes abdominal, and some lateral hearts with no capillaries. A heart appears. All arteries open into the body cavity. Hemolymph performs all blood functions. The structure of the respiratory organs depends on the habitat of arthropods. Inhabitants of water, such as crustaceans, breathe with the help of gills, which are best at absorbing oxygen dissolved in water. Terrestrial species breathe atmospheric air through trachea or air sacs. Arthropods include predators, herbivorous species, saprotrophs, parasites, blood-sucking species, etc. The digestive system of arthropods includes intestine, digestive glands, salivary glands, and liver. These glands produce digestive juices that help efficiently digest a variety of foods. The sensory organs of arthropods are very diverse. First of all, these are organs of chemical sense and sight. The eyes of arthropods are of two types: simple eyes, including only one unit of eye, and complex or compound eyes, include a large number of eyes that fit tightly together.